Winning life. This is the poem I'm going to present. When life shows its ugly face and you feel scorned and used, when it wins with its blows and tries to wipe the smile of your face, this is when you have to fight back, manifesting the power of your will. When life leads you at a crossroads, forcing you to solve riddles, making you feel small, this is when you diminish it by exerting the power of your mind. When life sends clouds to swarm over you and drenches you in chill, this is when you need to hold on tight to the sun and let your soul roam free to exotic places, vindicating the power of your body. When all these you finally manage to achieve, then will you earn your place in life, and like two lovers, walk ahead, taking all hardships in your stride. This is my poem, Winning Life, for Nermin and you all. Thank you.